Mr. Speaker, I propose that we amend Section 5B within the same legislative district or as party list representative.
What does the sponsor say?
Reject, Mr. Speaker.
What
Mr.
does the majority leader
Speaker,
say?
I move that we divide the House.
Mr. Speaker, may I ask that the sponsor explain his objection to the amendment
We
to include party
Point
list
of order, Mr.
suspended.
Speaker. I don't need to. I don't need
Mr.
to
Speaker,
explain
move
my
to-
objection.
Session has been
Move to
suspended.
suspend.
Session resumed.
Mr. Speaker, may I just reiterate what is the proposed amendment?
Majority leader.
Mr. Speaker, there has been an objection to the amendment proposed. I move that we divide the
Mr.
House.
Speaker, so that we know what we're voting on, can we just reiterate what is the proposed amendment? It is to add at Section 5B or as party list representative, so that the anti-political dynasty bill will prohibit relatives within the second degree of consanguinity for both running for a seat in a district of the House of Representatives and as a party list representative.
What does the sponsor say?
We do not accept.
What does the majority say?
Mr. Speaker, there being an objection to the amendment proposed, I move that we divide the House. An aye vote will sustain the amendment, while a nay vote will defeat the amendment. The majority solicits a nay vote.
There is a proposed amendment rejected by the sponsor, and we now move to divide the House. All those in favor say aye.
Aye! Aye!
Those who are against say aye. The nays have it.
Mr.
The
Speaker, can we
proposed
ask for a
amendment
roll
is hereby
call vote?
rejected.
Mr.
Majority leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session.
Mr. Speaker, can we have a
Session
read of-
suspended.